Actually.
Like what?
I've only had one person ever come on my face ever.
Oh.
Ever. Ever.
Ever?
Ever.
The first time it happened, how did you receive it?
On my face.
No. Oh, duh. Oh, that was good.
That was great.
That was good. That was
Yeah.
good. I did. That was smooth as fuck. Move that I didn't know it was coming and I should have, but I didn't.
No, it was something
Did you enjoy
that
it?
I thought it was weird, but I did it because I knew he liked it.
So did you act
And I
like you
cared
enjoyed
about
it? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, we fake that.
Because if you do, it makes it seem like this hasn't been your first time.
I don't think I did, but I'm not sure.
Were you
Why
just?
do you
I don't remember.
Did you
Why?
stick a chin in the air?
Say stuff like that.
Yeah, just like close my eyes, just like.
Okay.
Come on, man. I see you want to tell me the truth.
Like,
For all the women out there, tell
Well,
me the truth.
well, you know, men and ego, so we gotta keep that
Mhm.
ego.
So you stroke the ego.
Yeah.
Stroke the ego.
There's certain ways you
Yeah.
can stroke our ego without lying to us, though.
Yes, Wendy.
But you guys don't know we're lying.
Until we break up.
We kind of do. We just want to believe it because it just sounds so dope. You know what I'm saying?
But I
Again,
wasn't, but
because
I
you
wasn't
get a
lying
woman-
when I
You
said
get
that.
a woman in her butt, she's
No.
like, "You're the only man." You're like, and
But
then
what if you
next time
really
you're like,
are?
"We never are." Remember the last when she wasn't here? What did all the women say? We're always lying to y'all about that.
Yeah.
All the girls were coming in like,
Yeah,
"We're
but
always
but
lying."
somebody had to be a first. So
not at
obviously,
certain ages. Not at certain ages.
that's not true.
No, it's not.
Mm,
But it is a great. I think in relationships you need certain kind of fibs. I think that is a good fib. I don't actually think that's a bad fib. I think it's a good fib because nobody's virgins. You know what I'm saying? Men's ego, we want y'all in our mind to be a virgin. Like most of us make y'all virgins once y'all once you get with us, we
Taking
make you
a couple
virgin.
of virginities.
But
in my
you
life.
be honest, in our minds we make a woman once you become our girl. Like once we like, yo, Wendy, you are my girl.
It's like you got a clean
You
slate.
are your slate is clean. Like all the filth you did, we might talk about it because it was before me, but you are virgin. Now.
And some guys can't even talk about it. They're just like,
yeah,
Yeah,
it's
that-
too
those-
much
you
to
can't
handle.
even
Yeah,
you can't even have that
no,
conversation.
Those niggas, they're gay. But because you can only know how to start to please a woman if you can hear what she's done and what did it for her. If her last man had her climbing the wall and he was doing a little trick with her butt, you need to learn that trick. Because if you ain't making her climb the wall, sooner or later she be like, damn, I miss Fred. You know, right
That's
now
true.
it would be good to have Fred playing with my butt because I need that. So you need to know these things. So my mama told me that. Big shouts to Dolly. She told me that. But once it's my timeline, you can lose the slate. But before, you're good. During my timeline, that might be like something I can't come back. Maybe that's why I'm not gonna be able to come back from cheating. Because it's gonna be hard. Because every man's gonna think his girl did everything she did with you. There's no way you're gonna tell me that.
There was that movie with Julia Roberts, where she cheated, and she was married, and then her husband kept
And
asking
she
her.
said I did everything.
Yeah, her
Oh,
husband
yes,
kept
yes, yes.
asking her like, "Did you do this?" And did you do that?
That's an example, but that's how all men
And
think.
she
I
was
remember
like,
that
it
movie.
was sex. She
Yeah,
was
we
like,
did
yes,
everything
we
people do
did
in their
everything
sex.
people do when they're fucking. Like,
Yeah.
You see? But see now, you have like
he's like, no.
see, look he did because he's in a relationship. His face is like, but that's what you're gonna think, right?
Yeah.
If your girl sucks your dick every day, calls you like, you coming home sucks every day? When she fucks somebody else, there's no way you're gonna sit there and think she wasn't like, Fred, you coming home? Coming over? Because I need to suck your dick today, ASAP, Rocky, now. So that's who they are. That's what they're gonna do.
Yeah.
Wendy, hello.
But we gonna think the same thing too
Mm-hmm.
Of
when you
course,
guys
of
cheat,
course,
and that's why
of
we go
course.
crazy because we
See,
already
but
know.
Y'all go batshit crazy. Men, see, that's the funny thing. Y'all do foul shit. sweep
Nah,
up
nah,
cars.
nah, nah.
Men don't
I
go
know
batshit crazy.
men.
They either kill
I know
y'all-
men
Listen,
that
you-
tag
They kill
Women-
y'all.
key cards.
Men don't go batshit crazy. They just
Yeah.
kill you.
Yeah,
Or...
they just kill you. Batshit crazy. I mean, y'all become stalkers. Y'all become extra with it.
And men don't do that.
Men do
Are
that
you
on the
fucking kidding me?
low.
When you women play with them.
What?
Nah.
Nah, some women do. I'm not saying all. Don't get it twisted. But
Let me
listen,
tell you,
I
men
work with
be
a lot of females,
stalkers.
And I know a
Yes.
lot of females.
All the time
Women
on the
turn
low.
men into stalkers. Y'all turn niggas into
And they'll
stalkers.
be
Oh,
like,
so they're
oh,
stalkers
who's
and it's
Fred?
our fault. But when women are stalkers, it's because they're crazy?
Let's go about somebody I know.
Oh
Me and her
my
know a girl,
God.
right? She broke up with. She was living with a man, broke up with him, moved away, started messing with another dude. Dude was whacking bad. So you know what she did to the dude she used to live with? Decided to fuck him. You know what happened after she decided to fuck him and told him to kick rocks when she got the dick that made her feel better than the dude she was messing with? Nigga started standing outside her window.
He was doing that before.
But why would you play with somebody like that? Why
No,
would you get some?
no.
Hold on, I don't know. Our friend, our mutual friend. Why would you play with somebody like that? Why would you have sex with somebody who's standing outside of your fucking building window? Like, is it that desperate to get some dick?
Oh, somebody's calling you.
That's Peace. FaceTiming me during the show. You can't do that. Peace. Can FaceTime during the show. Peace.
Yeah, but I wonder, is your thing cut off now?
No.
Your Facebook?
It'll go back to it.
Yeah, it'll go back in.
Decline it.
So, you see what I'm saying?
Women
Like,
are straight crazy. He's no.
Who's Chris?
No.
Oh, yeah. It's my brother. What up, Chris? Women are straight crazy. He would know. He live on the other side of the country now. Stay away from women.
Okay.
Listen. Men are crazy. We're both. What say is both. But y'all.
See, I had a friend of mine, right? She would complain to me. She was like, "Yo," she moved in with her boyfriend. She relocated from out of town, and she was going to live in his town. So she was living with him until she saved up enough money from the job that she got down there to get her own place.
Okay.
Now, during this time, she'd always call me. She's like, "Yo, I can't take it. He keeps going in my phone, and he gets mad, and like he keeps going to my phone, blah blah blah." And I'm like, "Yo, like you don't pay my phone bill, don't do that." But I'm just like, every time you come to New York, you fuck your ex. He had, like, not justifying him invading your privacy, but like, you're doing dirt. He knew that you've done dirt before. You're still doing dirt. He just doesn't know about it because you're really clean about it, but he still feels a way.
So then leave.
They're married now.
Or just deal.
Yeah, they're married now.
Yeah, so he just deals, and she still does dirt, I'm sure.
Everybody,
Exactly.
That's the funny thing. Everybody gets mad. Everybody deals. To an extent, in any relationship, everybody does. It's very rare you meet relationships that are perfect.
No
Everybody
relationship is
deals.
perfect.
I was just telling Blue on the way up here, every dude I know in a relationship wants out except Rico. Because I didn't think every fucking dude, I swear to God, all my boys would say, every dude in a relationship wants out. I spoke to my boy, I had spoke to him while I've been married 20 years today. He was like, oh my God, if I wouldn't have to pay so much alimony, I'd be out. And we were having a fantasy. Dog, with the money you make now, you know what kind of bachelor pads you can have, you know what fine young talent you could be playing with. And he was like, you're going to make me cry.
Okay.
He was on a 5-hour lunch. He gets plenty of bread. But this is what I'm talking about. This is what I don't know. Like, it's very hard to find that partner that, you know what I'm saying? And then I've been in love, like in love, super in love. Fucked it up. But it's like.
Do you feel like love is overrated?
That was one of the topics. Do y'all feel like love is overrated?
I don't think it is.
I don't think so.
I don't think so. I just feel like sometimes the work can just be a lot.
Yes. That's facts.
I just feel like, if people will understand from the beginning that relationships mean work, they will not have as many issues.
Right.
Because what it is that we are sold this fantasy that love is,
This is what it's supposed to be like.
and that love is like, sitting watching TV together, fucking, there's never a problem. No, because even
It's a lot of problems.
family relationships, they're not perfect. So what makes you think
Christmas
that a relationship?
said love is overrated.
I don't
And
think
your
I don't think
admirer
so.
said
Sophie
he
said
loves
he-
love.
You know
Love
what I
is
think
love.
it is?
He said, I
Yo.
love love.
Sophia, you making her laugh, bro. You winning. You winning, bro.
I feel like
My brother
even-
said love is overrated, though.
I feel like
Nowadays.
why should
I
it be
feel-
so much
no,
work?
no.
Because it is.
I feel a lot of people feel it's overrated nowadays.
Yeah.
Because I'm super sensitive, as I am as a Pisces. I love that shit. Love is fucking fantastic because I've never had more fun in my life than when I was in love. Like, love. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, everything, no matter how bad my shit was, like, to have that feeling and know somebody feels like that for you, you feel like that, changes your whole perspective. Now, when you're not feeling like that, everything feels heavier.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? When you don't have a person you can get up that you think about all the time and you want to be with, or like I literally would want to spend my last dollar on her. You know what I'm saying? I give a fuck if I had to starve or something. If I got her something nice or a little meal or something.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying? Because
That's
that's,
true.
you know what I'm saying? That's why I don't have. Remember how we used to talk about? I never had relationships, and it wasn't to brag. I never had one night stands. I never fucked a girl that I wasn't.
So
really
you are a
cared about.
relationship person. You
Oh,
meet
big time,
somebody.
big time. I don't want to be though. I want to change that. I want to change that because I think that's my downfall.
So you want to be a 45-year-old thought?
No, I don't want to be a thought because I can't be a thought. Like I've been offered the opportunity to be a thought, and it's just not me because I can't even fuck a woman that I'm not heavily feeling. You know what I'm saying? When I was younger, I couldn't. I don't know why. And when I got older, I think the first girl I had sex with, I didn't care about. After that, I think that traumatized me because the shit went so left. I was like, ugh. Like, here's the thing with me, and I'm a weirdo in the point of like all the little not great things about sex and being with somebody, I can't deal with if I don't love you. You can't fart around me.
Yeah, no.
You can't be sick, snot coming out your nose, green boogers, and I can't deal if I don't really feel for you.
Because
If I
it's
feel
fucking
I want to
gross.
take care of you, I wipe your nose, I wipe your ass. I don't give a fuck. But all that other shit, just with somebody you chilling, you wake up, she's baby. Gotta go. Can't do it. I don't want to hurt somebody's feelings. I want somebody calling me a dick. So that's always been my thing. Like, I don't even like dates too much. Like, after a while, because you're like, they want to be holding your hand. And, like, I don't feel you like that. No, why are we
Yeah.
holding hands? You want to put their arm through my hoop. I'm like,
Yeah,
damn, I thought I had my
yeah,
shit locked.
Yeah, I don't like that shit.
Like, so I'm weird like that.
Like,
I
don't
have
act
to,
like you're my girl.
even on the, don't
Yeah.
do that.
Don't act like
Oh,
you're my girl.
calling me babe
Oh,
or,
no.
or dad. Like, yo, where's that coming from? I hung out with you 3 times. Like, nah. Hey, it's Tatiba. Say my whole name. Say it fully. Tatiba. Don't even call me Joe. It's like, it's Tatiba. You know what I'm saying? But that's me. But, you know, so I don't know. Like, so I miss that. But I don't miss kind of all the extra shit. Like, even when you fall in love, then you got to take on that person's problems, their issues. You have to. It's a must.
Yes.
Or they're gonna turn to somebody else. Like, so you have to be there because I want you to be there for my shit. I know I got shit. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. Like, I don't know. But I tell people like I'll probably be alone. If I'm free in these streets. Like, I'll be alone for a while. I'll still go out because I need attention. Don't get it. I'm a big ass kid. I need attention. That's why she's huffing and puffing. I do need attention. I need attention. And I'm fun. Hella fun. I'm funny. I do all that. But I'm probably not gonna do all the other shit they might want, and that's my problem. That's the problem. I'm not. You're not gonna get no dick. Like, that's. I tell them they don't believe it. Girls don't believe it. I tell my team when I got here and we started the show, I was like, yo, I just cannot randomly fuck anybody. It just will never happen. Fuck a bucket. You're crazy. What kind of, nah. It doesn't do it because I'll see a flaw. You might have some earwax. I'll be like, she only clean her ears. She's wilding. I'm not touching her. See, now if it's your girlfriend and you love her, you're like, babe, come here, let me get this kind of swab. You know what I'm saying? Like when your girl picks your nose. When you got a man, you're like, hey, you got a booger. Come here. Like, yo, don't do that. Fuck out of here. Don't worry about that. But see, if they're not your man, you're like, damn, why does that nose hair keep falling on her nose? Or why she got a
That's
chin
true.
hair? Like, that shit is dumb long. If it's your girl, you're like, baby, you need to get that chin hair. This shit's looking like my shit. You know what I'm saying? But when I've sat with somebody and she had like 2 curls, and I was like,
Oh no.
she was fucking up my steak. My steak was wrong. I thought I saw hairs on my steak. I'm mentally problems. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? We got in her car. I was like, did she fart? Like, cause I know I didn't fart, but the car kind of smells funny now. And she was in the car first. So I was like, did she throw a quick poop and then think it was gonna stink? We did just eat fucking fried chicken.
You got to
Like,
poop on the way to the car.
that's what she should have did. Or she pooped and brought and dragged the smell into the car. You see, you can't do that. If it's your girl, you can tease it. Damn, baby. Popeyes fucked you up? Yeah, a little bit in my stomach. All right, can you open the windows? And it's over. That's
Yeah.
your boo. You get in the
Yes.
car with Goofy right now,
My goof.
and he fought, and you're like, this motherfucker farted? And it's all in my hair and in my clothes right
Yes.
now? You know what I'm saying? His dick ain't that good. He gonna fart in the car and have me in his fart smell. You know what I'm saying? That's my point.
But have you ever done that and then you
What?
were just like embarrassed? Like
Did
you
what?
couldn't hold it when you were with somebody?
No, I've had stomach cramps and been in pain. I was at a girl's house and we fucked, and I wouldn't shit in her house, but I was dying in the house like, oh my god, this shit was like all in my spine. I was
Oh
like,
my god.
the whole night. Then she got it. She's like, you want me to go get breakfast? Please do. Open her window, everything. She had a basement apartment. So I was like, oh, fuck. Turned the vent on, blew it up, and she came back way too fast. I'm using all my little cologne I had left. And she disses me as soon as she comes in. She's like, you shitty? I was like, I said, listen, I held that shit all night. She said, I thought, because she looked in a lot of pain. She's like, that's how I left. I thought I gave you enough time. I said, you knew? She's like, listen, your stomach was making noises. I was like, my bad. So that's my most embarrassing. But, when it's your boo, you don't give a fuck. You still care, but you don't care. I care if you're a girl, though. I have no problems unless we, been together for a long time. Like, I have problems. I told you I have problems.
I know.
My mama told me sugar and spice, everything nice.
I know.
So I'm not with
I
girls
dated a
farting
guy
next
like
to me
that.
and all
We
that
dated
stuff.
for a lot of years, and I could never use the bathroom when he was in the house ever. It just wouldn't happen. Wouldn't happen. It wasn't even like I was holding it. It just wouldn't.
Like subconsciously, you just.
It just. I don't know. It's just like my bowel just shut down.
Sphincter was like, now why this nigga
It's
here?
like nope.
Nah, see, I mean, like, that's what I'm saying. I just wear like that. My mom's just like a girly girl. And she just had me, like, that's another thing. I like girly girl. I like heels. I like all that. Don't let me see you with sneakers 3 times in a week. I'm thrown. What the fuck are you
If
doing?
I go to the gym.
No, if you're going to the gym, cool. Don't have me come pick you up. And I pull up and you just coming out in sneakers for the 3rd time. Like, I need to see heels, dresses, skirt. That's how my mom dressed. To this day, my mom's in her 60s got people like, oh my God, Dolly, why do you dress up every day for work? I love that. Like, when I'm in relation, I love watching a woman get dressed in the morning. Like, that's it. Like, you're like,
I'm the same
it's
way
fantastic.
with men. Like, I like my men that dress and start with the hat all the time.
Yeah.
bro, you listening?
There's a place and a time for everything. So when a man is all the time with a hat, and like, nah, what are you doing?
Yeah, I had a.
And I like men that wear cologne. That's
Yeah.
You have to smell good.
Bro, you heard that?
You're giving them tips. Even though, you know what, I have found that, I don't know, there was a certain man I like when he wore cologne, but I liked his body scent. You know what I mean? Like, I liked, like, when we cuddled, like, if he didn't have cologne
that's
or,
great. But
you know
like,
what I
if
mean?
you're
Like,
going out, he should smell. Like, come on.
I don't know. I guess some people, yeah, but I don't know. There's one person I liked his scent. I mean, he always wore cologne anyway, so it didn't matter. But I don't know. I just like.
Oh, he said, I'm listening. He's there. I'm listening.
You
Watch
got his
out, girl.
cologne ready?
He's gonna just roll up and like, you know what I mean? From the show. Take a whiff. See the shoes?
You still didn't tell us where you're taking her.
No hat.
Oh, God, no hat.
And the dude who's winning right now is Goofy.
She said they're just talking.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
he's
we
Goofy,
did.
so he don't really have a shot. If a real dude comes around, a Goofy nigga lose.
Yeah.
A
said
real
yeah.
dude can
Totally.
always take a woman from a goofy nigga, because a goofy dude is safety. When they're with a goofy dude, is safety. They're not going on a limb no more.
Yeah.
But you can still fall for the goofy dude. So you gotta be careful, because then you can wind up married to the goofy dude. And be like, how the fuck did this happen?
I don't think.
Yeah, she's like, I don't think
Can't
so.
bring him to all the festivals because he's not that bright. Listen. These are some important people. Do not talk. Tell me you have a sore throat. Here's some halls. Put the shit in your mouth.
No, I have to
breathe.
say he's goofy, but he's smart. It's just like,
It's a little corny.
yeah, like I can take him out and he'll be okay, but I don't think I can take him out to the events that I do. It will be a little intimidating for him.
Because there's real niggas in the building. I
Yeah.
feel you.
Man,
I get it.
Yeah.
you know,
He
a
said
lot of
he
people like backup dancers.
He said he lives in Florida, so he might take you to Finger Lick. You know, you're scared of planes.
No, I'm not scared of playing. And my 2 sisters live in Florida, and I've been at.
She got 2 sisters. Yo, this is already working, bro. 2 sisters in Florida, bro. That means she can come and visit without Goofy.
No, we need Goofy. He works for Delta, so.
Oh, Goofy's gonna get it.
He's gonna get
Hold
over
on.
to you.
Goofy's gonna send it to you, bro. Oh, this is fucking fat. You women are foul. Now nigga, go see my sister. Savvy, right up the thing, picking it up. All right, goofy. See, I had a friend one time. This is how bad. He was in love with this girl. She left, moved away. He's listening too. She moved away. She was in. He always in love with her. He tried to have a relationship. Just she was it. And this is what always showed me you have to be careful with women because no matter how much you love them, they will fuck you if you allow them. And Blue has always said, if you let me fuck you, I will fuck you. That was always your motto, right? You said that with dudes. That was your thing. So,
But then again,
this motherfucker
I should,
gets in
so.
touch with. She gets in touch with him out of the blue after a couple of years. They're talking on the phone. She now went down there, had a couple of kids, all that. Suppose she's struggling. She sends an email to him one day, but him and his brother have the same D, first and the last name. So it kind of goes to the brother's email. The brother comes to us on some. We need to have a sit down. This motherfucker is sending her all kind of bread and money down there. He's bugging. So we're like, yo, bro, what's happening? Like, don't she have kids with some dude and stuff? He's like, yeah, but they're not together.
Forget it. It's
He
okay.
goes down there to visit her. While he's down there, we don't hear from him. We call him like, yo, everything good, everything nothing. He comes back. He doesn't really tell us about the trip. He said it was awesome, it was this and that. His brother comes to us because, again, she sends an email, and it goes to the brother. So he comes to us. He's like, yo, did y'all talk to him? So we're like, yeah, we talked to him. Why? He said, read this shit. Her man wrote to him, like, good looking, bro, for the money and watching our kids while I took her on a trip with your money.
Okay.
He went down there and she had told him by the second day she has no kind of emergency. Asked him if he would stay with the kids.
While she went on vacation with her nigga.
With the money he had sent her and gave her.
Okay. Okay.
Now you see? Now
Thank
look at the evil one at
Oh,
the table.
sorry.
You see the evil one at the table?
you.
Okay, we like that. You see?
Wow.
Wendy. Oh no, that's what she said. I just want to say it.
Wow.
They see our man trying to get at you, so they love it.
Wow.
But you see what I'm saying? Bro, if you let them, like, they'll tell you anything when you're still in love with them. See, that's where where men and women are wrong. That wicked nature of, this nigga's so gullible. You know I still love you. Have you done that, Wendy, to somebody before?
No.
I believe you, Wendy.
I believe you, Wendy.
I got them on his eyes.
No.
Blue, have you done that to somebody, Blue?
Done what?
Used them when you knew they was in love with you?
Taking advantage of the fact that they loved you, so you knew that they would do whatever you asked of them to do, even though you had no intention of giving them anything in return.
Yeah, I mean, I allow them to do for me if that's what makes them feel good. Why not?
Say it again.
I said I allow them to do for me if
Hold
that's
on,
what makes
hold
them
on.
feel good. Why not?
You allow them to do for you if it makes them feel good.
Yeah. I'm not asking you to, but I mean, if you want to,
Yeah, so as long if they do it, it's all good.
whatever.
You would never say no, it's okay. You don't have to.
I have, but then they're like, no. I'm like, okay, thanks.
So if they insist, you let them do it.
Yeah,
Wendy,
I mean,
would you
I insist.
use somebody because they love you?
It's not, I don't think it's using.
Wendy, would you
I
use
didn't
somebody?
see it. I don't think it's using.
Bro, you make sure you pick her up in a Maybach or something. Wendy deserves the best first class.
She's like, actually, yeah.
I don't
Oh,
think
look
so.
what Sarita said about Blue. Dang, that's foul.
Say it all the time. Blue ain't shit sometimes.
See, Wendy. Yo, I love a woman that keeps it 100. But, okay. I believe you too, Wendy. I don't think you would do that.
Nah.
So if you fall for my boy, you're going to let go of Goof?
Oh, of course, yeah. For
Look
me
how
to-
easy she say, oh, please.
like-
That's not even a
She's
question.
like, this is silly.
I can't keep, if I'm gonna be with someone, I can't keep. It's too complicated. My life is complicated enough.
As is.
Yeah,
Juggling two would be too much for you?
yeah, nah.
Have you juggled two before?
2 men?
Mhm.
Oh yeah, yeah,
How was it?
yeah. But it was very open. It was more than 2 because it was like after I got
Okay,
divorced.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Are we not loving Wendy? Ladies and gentlemen, are we not loving? Amazing.
Not
My brother said, "Wow, there's no. I mean, look at that, exploding with hearts and love. Look, it's exploding for you, Wendy. Fellas, this is such revelation. Chris says, I love it. More than two, I love it. The honesty, have y'all seen shit? Back to you, Wendy.
It was when after I got divorced. I took
Y'all
a
tell me
whole
ain't
year
shit.
for myself.
Why is that?
Wasn't dating or anything,
So
and
you
then
was basically on a rampage.
How does that work?
yes. So
So you
you
was
know,
just taking them down, taking them down. You like it? Let's play.
yeah, I had like the Rolodex. So
You all keep that Rolodex. I said that. You know, somebody always
men
lies about that.
and women do it.
No. There's just a couple of women tell fibs they don't keep their little Rolodex of ex niggas. Until you break up with them and ex niggas just pop up out the blue.
Oh yeah,
It's so weird.
yeah.
I don't keep any. I don't keep nobody. No.
So now
Then all of a sudden she's on dinner with somebody you heard about 5-10 years ago. Where'd that nigga come from? Oh, it's amazing. Just called me out the blue.
Out the blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, but sometimes they don't
No,
change
but
their phone number,
sometimes
you
that,
just
yeah,
remember it and
yeah.
you just
Sometimes
call,
that
like,
happens.
There we go. The secret is out. See,
Right.
all women lying. Everybody keep their little Rolodex.
But men
girls working.
too. But I
Men
don't
too,
know
what?
what it. Men have a Rolodex
We have a
too.
what?
Yeah, you have a Rolodex
I don't
too.
know. Not every man, Wendy. Some of us good Christian men.
He doesn't keep a Rolodex, as he just keeps all the women on deck. So he doesn't need a Rolodex. Actually, he just keeps all the women.
Damn, is that a bang bang?
No, I'm just saying.
Was that a bang bang? Did you just say shots at me?
No, I was just
No,
stating
but
something.
I have to clarify. I don't know what it is about men, but when we're dating, then all the exes like they smell it and they start like
It's the
I don't.
pheromones that get released when y'all
Yeah,
like
I don't know,
somebody.
and then they start like texting
It's
you
like
out
they're
of the
sharks when they
blue.
smell blood.
Hey you,
That's how
hey
it
you,
happens?
yeah,
Hey,
hey
you.
you, hey
That
you.
sounds
You
gay
know
as
why?
shit.
But you see,
You know
I
why?
don't,
You know
I
what
don't
it
have
is?
that anymore
It's
because
social
my
media.
blacklist is long now. Because after a certain time, then you annoy me, then you get blocked.
That's
So
good.
you're talking by yourself.
Yeah, you need to.
But you know what it is? What happens is you guys go on social media when you guys have a guy in your life. There's a twin.
Oh, look.
That's true.
Chris said, "Hey you."
Exactly.
Now you got another one on you. Hey you. That's
All
two
right,
for
all
tonight.
right, all right, all right, all right, all right.
Hey you, stuff, huh? Hey you.
That's so funny.
Oh, hi,
Wendy,
stranger.
You are winning tonight, Wendy. Stop it. Stranger. No, I think exes are problematic.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I think exes are problematic. I don't believe in exes.
I just feel like if you're an ex for a reason, and I don't keep friendships with ex. The only reason I have to talk to my ex-husband is because of my son, but he's not a friend.
He's not your friend?
No,
You guys are not tight?
no. I mean, for our son, but
He's
I
in a
don't.
new relationship
Yeah,
and you're seeing Goofy.
yeah.
Okay. And now you have some new admirers. Chris and Safi. Chris said, "Hey, you again." So But Chris. You in San Fran, right?
He said he don't go backwards.
X to the
The
next. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
I always have this issue with my girlfriends when they keep friendship with ex, because I just feel it's a problem. They're an ex for a reason. You can't be friends with someone that hurt you.
Why not?
What if they didn't hurt you? It just
Me
didn't
and my
work
ex
out?
still cool.
I just no.
I'm cool with a lot of my exes actually.
Yeah, but do you call them all the time? You can be
I
cool
don't
if
have
I
to
see
call
you.
them. I text them like they see what I'm doing. I see what they doing. We good. That's like
But
it's
you
no
messing
beef.
With an ex? Sort of, kind of. He's an ex.
But I'm not seeing anybody. Like right now, it's like the distraction. But if I was to like,
Wow, he's a distraction.
it's a distraction.
Bendito. He don't know he's a distraction.
It's a distraction.
Oh, he probably thinks you on him again. She loving me. I'm back in the building. You over here like he's a distraction. Oh,
I don't think I don't. I mean, he doesn't know yet that he's a
Did you
distraction.
tell him that? Did
No.
you say, baby, you know you're just a distraction?
No.
Of course, because you're playing the game. Look at that Kool-Aid smile you just put on. You see that? She playing the game. All you women play just like us and swear y'all don't. Because Blue swears it's just us. We heartless. We have no feelings. But you here being honest. And you didn't tell him he's just a distraction. You didn't say, listen, this time around, Goofy.
Well, I did mention to him because he's not offering me anything. So I told him, I said, well, I'm not gonna be sitting here waiting for when you're ready. So I'm
so
gonna
you want
see
more
all
with-
the.
You want more with him.
No, I don't want more. He can't give me what I want.
Why
so-
not? What's wrong with him? He's a cripple
No, because he doesn't know what he wants
in life or with women.
with women. He doesn't know if he wants to be in a relationship or not.
And how he's the same age as you,
Yeah, 42.
and he doesn't know at 42. what he
Yeah.
wants to be.
Yeah.
So he's still
It's a
getting his pimp
problem.
on.
Well, he thinks he's a man.
Oh, he thinks he's a pimp.
Yeah,
You already broke him down.
yeah.
Okay.
Because there's also that problem with dating apps when you sometimes men feel like they haven't. It's
Dating apps.
yeah,
That's what he's on. He's on dating apps.
yeah,
People still do that.
yeah.
Wow. What happened to just going to meet people?
Well, I don't know.
How did he meet you? On a dating app?
Yeah.
Oh, you met off a dating app. What app was that? Please provide with the public.
It was funny because I never believed in dating apps. So my
Okay.
girlfriend was like after me, oh, you have to try it, just try it, just try it. And I'm
Which one
like,
is this one?
Plenty of Fish.
That's the name of it.
Yeah, that's the name of the app. Plenty
You
of
find
fish.
her on Plenty of Fish.
No, I deleted the account
Why?
because I
Because
just
Goofy got you back.
no. I deleted before Goofy.
Okay.
We met there and then I just deleted
You
because
said I don't need Plenty of Fish, bro. Yep. But she says she's not on it no more. So you're gonna have to get her contact for her website off the end of the show. You know what I'm saying? So you were on Plenty of Fish.
and that's how we met.
Okay.
What's Hannah here?
Did you realize he was goofy when you met him initially?
No, I mean he had great conversation. That was the thing. And then after that, I don't know. He went left.
He left.
Yeah.
Got
Showed
you.
you his real self.
Yes.
Mm.
Yes.
Well, sometimes the
Is
real
it after
self.
you guys had sex?
Huh?
Is it after you guys had sex? Or before?
No. Like it was fine when
They
we
met
were.
on Plenty of Fish.
Yeah, we met in Plenty of
.com.
Fish.
She
I had
advises
Plenty of
that's a-
Fish.
She said that's a good site to meet
I
people
had
on.
it. I had it until
It's
I
not
found
a
my
good
ex on
site.
it.
Why
It's
not?
not a good site.
Why not?
I just
Bomba
feel
clad.
I can't say lucky because I had bad experience with Plenty of Fish. I had this white dude that called me a spick because I didn't send
Perfect.
him a
Bomba
picture
clad.
of myself and he requested it right away. Like I have my rules. I'm not gonna. We have to be in a relationship for me to send you pictures of myself.
Oh, he wanted.
You in the
Nudie
nudes.
Yeah, right away.
All right, all
Some
right,
people
all
on it just for that,
right.
though.
Yes.
I was on there. My boy put me on a couple years ago, and then I saw my ex on there, and I was like, I can't do this no more.
Yeah, it's
I was like, what the fuck are you doing on this
Yeah.
shit?
Right off the
yeah,
top, send me
yeah,
some nudes.
yeah.
Say
There
to
was
be a
a, there, I
snake.
meant to talk about it today. A website that I found.
You know, I
And then he went on a rampage because I said, why?
but you know what it is?
The only thing I answered him back was why. And he went on a rampage. You speak. You know,
Oh.
all you Latin women are the
Well,
same.
you know,
Going
you
on
know
the
Trumps,
welfare. Yeah, the Trump
The
supporters.
Trumps come
Yeah.
clean.
Yeah.
They come clean sometimes. But you know, it's funny because I'm like I said, I turned 45 in 2 weeks, and the funniest shit to me is women send them shits without requesting.
Yeah, sometimes,
Like,
yeah.
If you
Yeah.
don't pay them mind, all of a sudden your shit comes up and it's titties, and you're like, oh. Shit.
I've gotten random news before, and I was just like, oh.
Yeah, but where is it gone? Like,
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 what
they
were
be
you
dead.
doing?
yeah, but you want attention that bad? Like
Yeah.
literally, and
No,
video clips,
it's true. I agree.
especially Snapchat.
Yeah.
Oh, because I guess they know it goes away.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yo, you're just like this. Funny shit is, I let my son rock my thing, or like he's using my phone for something. Like, you know, that shit can just pop up. You know what I'm saying? The snap just pops up and it's playing with the. What the fuck? I've been on the train and it's just like rubbing it.
He was like,
What
I'm not a weirdo.
I'm not a weirdo.
Shit.
Bomba clad.
You know what I'm saying? Like it's like, but that's no request.
Yeah.
No, hey, send me your vagina. You know, no.
Bomba clad.
Send me your vagina to see your vagina. Not every vagina is cute. You know what I'm
That's
saying?
true too.
You got girls that got like darkness on their
Well,
thighs.
it's the
You're
same
like,
thing with
what's happening?
Yeah.
You know, I know you women get the little the penises and all that, but
I don't
it
like-
goes both sides.
I don't like
Instagram,
penis
you
pics.
get the DM, you like, oh shit, titties. What is happening? Then you hit the person, and or if you don't respond, then they hit you like, you didn't like. You're like,
Why you being a
damn, I
creep?
don't even know. Like with instinct, you know, you just take people. They like your picture, you follow them back. Fuck it, follow. But then it's just like you're in Nebraska and you just sent me a titty. You know what I'm saying?
What do
I
you
don't
want
know. You look good in that camel coat. So you sent me.
So you
the
should make
titties?
tips.
Yeah, that.
I mean, there's some nice titties, but you just send titties. Like, that's just what you do. And how many people did you send your titties to?
A lot of
today?
people apparently.
Yeah, like, cause you know dudes would get caught up with that. She sent me her titties on fire.
She said,
No,
"Man,
she might have
niggas
sent
titties."
a lot of people her titties. I had this one girl was hitting me on the
Maybe
thing,
a group text.
and then I found out she was a porn star. Like she was hitting me like, "Oh, you look cute today. Oh, did you have a nice day?" I was like, "Oh, this is nice." And she's real cute. I'm like, she's like, "You never follow me back." No problem. Today I'll get to it. Follow her back. She's like, "You're not following my snap." Okay, I'll follow your snap. Then a snap. She, what do you like this picture? I said, "Oh." Then she had one with the whole boobies and she had big. I was like, "Oh, this is outrageous. Snap is popping." Then her next joint, she was like, "Look at this. Swipe up." Swipe
Oh
up.
my god.
She was like, for $14.95. You can see all my daily pics, my bath, taking my shower, lotioning. I was like, and then I said, she was like, and you can see my videos. I was like, videos? Oh, hold on now. Typed her name into X video. She popped up. I said, she's a real porn star. And set me up with the travel. Like, hey, nice picture. Hey,
Well,
nice
but
this.
there was I forgot who it was. One of the DJs on the radio was talking about that. He was saying that he went, I don't know, to some party or whatever.
What up,
Met
bro?
a
What up,
girl.
cuz?
And they were dancing, talking. They were having a good time. Like he bought her some drinks, you know, whatever. And then when they were leaving, she wanted to go back to his room. And they went to the room, and she started giving him head. And then, like, he's like, oh, I'm going to come. And she stopped. And she was like, okay, well, you have to pay me X amount of dollars. And I'm going in and he was like, oh, no, you got to go.
Yeah, I
Like,
get it.
I thought you were just doing this.
Yeah,
'cause
yeah,
you
I had
wanted
enough
to-
time. I'm good. I'll finish myself off for no money. I use one of these hotel rags. real quick.
Colleen said nothing left to the imagination. Too much technology.
Yes.
Facts.
Facts.
Over facts. Because
Yeah.
with Valentine's, you don't even know how many of my young boys I am coaching. I just hooked my man up with a whole little package for him and his girl. Like, dudes have no idea how to have fun on Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Like, it's crazy. And it's not even that big holiday like that.
No.
You can just really be cool and simple. But they just... I always say you don't like a girl, though. I don't believe you need coaching. I just believe you don't care.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, when you care about something, you research. Like, you can say this to your son all the time. My kid will go crazy for video games, codes to break shit, homework, they're failing. When everything is the same way, just Google it, do this, but they're failing. I think it's the same thing in relationships or when you're with a girl. If you're crazy about it, even if you're not the most, you don't have it, but you will ask somebody. Like, two of my young boys asked me, and I gave them ideas, and now they're set. You know what I'm saying? Other dudes be like, I got her a sweater.
Yeah.
The first time I really took my girl out, I was like, damn, like I want this to be like super dope. I want to Google things to do NYC.
Yes. Groupon.
True.
So many little things you can
Groupon.
get her and then take her out and surprise her and then she gets her
And
little
they got the
emails.
little
And,
websites that give you like the discount, like
Yes.
Groupon. So like what I did was like I set up a string of like 4 different activities to do in one day.
Oh, that's
So it was
awesome.
from the time she got out of work until the night we was just doing shit. We did this and then went to go
and
do
you
that.
also know your, and again, if you know your girl,
You know
okay,
what she
doesn't
likes.
like this, she doesn't like that. You might not have to do a string of things. She might need this, this, and this, which will do it for her because that's her thing. She
Yeah.
might, you know what I'm saying? So you just need to know and then put it in play. Not
I
the
think that
last day before
Valentine's-
you're trying to figure it out or, you know, like
And Valentine's is more about like celebrating the love that
the
you
love.
have.
That's it.
It's not about gifts.
Right.
For me, it's always about doing something special.
I was just telling somebody that today. You don't gotta get a gift.
Yeah.
Right.
You know,
No.
he's like, "Oh, I think she's expecting a gift." I was like, "Dog, you just did Christmas. like they know. Valentine's comes like right there.
That's a fact.
It's really what you do. Like. Then I was asking this motherfucker almost didn't know nothing. What kind of flowers she like? I don't know. I just always buy just random. But she's never said, okay, I like this. I didn't like. He's like, yeah, I don't pay attention to that. I'm like, this. I'm like, okay, does she like strawberries? You could get a fruit basket, chocolate strawberries. Go over, watch Netflix, do boom, boom. He's like, oh, she's not a Netflix person. He's like, she's a movie person that plays, so you can take her to a play. He's like, I don't know what. I said, just pick one. The fact that you're going to Broadway, y'all get dressed up. You tell the baby, get dressed up. I'll be there to pick you up. You got to be somewhere at 8. Bring some flowers. They just go with roses.
True.
Go with some beautiful red. None with no burnt tips on it. You do that on some regular shit, but some nice red roses. Because you know you can get the bullshit roses from the
I
Chinese.
prefer roses that are not red.
No, I'm just saying.
Yeah, I'm not into roses.
Yeah.
But I'm saying he doesn't know, so you always go with the classic. You know what I'm saying? Or pink or something that her color, purple, whatever. But my point was, like, he was so clueless. It was like, if it's not just a gift, you know, let me buy her a diamond bracelet. Okay, cool. Let me buy a little gold bracelet. Like, sometimes gifts don't do it. Sometimes it's the act. You know, and that's why I always thought Valentine's was. You know what I'm saying? Like, I do flowers and stuff anyway. Like, I'm a year-round dude. You know what I'm saying? I try to build up my thing so when I do fuck up, you know what I'm saying? She's like, this motherfucker, though.
Your resume look good.
You know, so when the other girls are like, this motherfucker never gives me flowers. He must have did something. He gave me flowers. No. You get flowers all here and there all the time. I get flowers. Like, I'm a big flower dude. So women that really know me know I can buy Cho flowers. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm with that. You know what I'm saying? And I used to get this in my job way back when they used to be like, why you getting flowers? I like flowers.
And people care
It
about
showed
me.
to me, it shows me women care. Like, if you tell them certain things you like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I like Marvel shit. I'm into comics and stuff like that. So I've had women who just got me those things. You know what I'm saying? It was amazing. My motherfuckers is getting this and that. I'm like, oh shit, I got the shield. Like, you know, that did it. And that shows me you really put thought into me. Right. That's what Valentine's Day is to me. Even if you just take it to the museum, she might really love museums.
Yeah.
You surprise her with dinner, and then you'll wind up in the museum, and she's like, now if it's me, I go to the museum ahead of time, find one of the security, stash some flowers there, then take her to dinner, then wind up in the museum and walk up to that guy and be like, damn, it would be great, like tonight would make oh my God. He handed it to me, I'm like, you gave away your purse. Because that story, when she's talking to her girlfriends who got a sweater, or her man came over with his dick with a bow, like,
Oh my God.
Same dick you gave her yesterday.
Didn't I suck that shit this morning before you left? Yeah, but he got a little work sweat on it.
And it's a bow.
I didn't know they made bows that little, but
Oh, that's what you would say to him? That's all he came home with? But you love that dick. Why would you say that?
I'm just saying in general. Like, unless the dick is already hard, then maybe the bow would fit. But
So what if he worked himself up on the way there and then tied it on right before he got out the
that's
car?
what I'm saying. Then maybe, but
Jesus,
I don't see no flaccid dick with a bow.
Nobody said it was flaccid though.
I mean, if he's coming in the room like this, I would hope he wouldn't come with a limpy dick. Like, bow fall off, he put it back up, he tied it back on, fall off.
Swinging around and shit.
Yeah, smacking it. Come on, work with me. Work with me. That's what you thought. This nigga came up with a nice hard dick. And why does this got to be a small dick? You was like a little small thing, bow falling over.
Because usually when a dick is flaccid, it's not impressive.
Bomb clock.
I think he said he makes facial expressions. She's like, oh, a little soft.
Fellas,
It's a sad Valentine's Day.
make sure your dick is hard. The bow with the dick
Yeah,
on
like
it. Because these girls don't want to see no flaccid little. Nah, shit.
oh no.
Nah, you
Nah,
good,
they
you
look
good, you
good. I
good,
just
you
messed
good,
up.
you good, you good. It's just like, this supposed to be a gift, nigga? Supposed to celebrate this shit?
Yeah, I fucking whack ass dick this morning. God damn. There's no gift. I got the bow. It's purple. That's your favorite color. I don't. I still got penis.
35
I
cents.
got back shots for you, girl. Took to the museum with the and the flower.
She's asking for the back
Now,
shots.
now you bathroom before you hit.
When,
Like, I gave you all of this, the cherry on top. But if you just come cherry, it's just like,
I've been crying.
you know.
I mean, listen. When date boy, what are y'all doing? What are you doing for him for Valentine's?
Talking
I'm
about
doing
they're
nothing.
talking.
Looking for it?
Mother
I'm
knock
not.
it down a
I'm not doing.
gives you flowers.
Well, no, he sent me a message today.
Talk about it.
Spicy.
Talk about
But I
it.
just thought it was like so like this message in Spanish. He's Dominican, talking about men die for love. Romeo himself, so and so.
Very heartfelt. Like blah blah blah.
He goes, if you tell me 5 women that die for love. I read the thing, Google, send the 5 names. Okay, you get a gift.
Ding, ding, ding. You want
It's like, really?
Brothers, you see what she's work with us, bro.
Yeah, I was with it up until that part.
You played yourself.
Really? That's what
Really?
you came up with?
Really?
You played yourself.
Came with a little
I'd
game
have
show
somebody
and
write something
text.
for you
That's
out,
whack.
You know what I'm saying? Because you into the writing. You gotta
Get
quit.
on.
You know what I'm saying?
Come on. But
If
this
I
is
can't
what I'm-
write, but since I'm a writer, I'd have penned real nice. Had somebody check out all the grammar so my shit don't look crazy. Listen, check all my grammar. Run on sentences, put my commas where they belong.
No, but my thing is like, why would you even? If you're gonna give me a gift, just give it to me.
Right.
Don't.
Don't make me work for it.
And
whack.
like
Well,
something
sometimes-
so.
Sometimes when they work for it's kind of nice.
Oh yeah.
Depends on what you make it work for. You know, it's working so bad sometimes.
Corny.
Olivia is not with it. She put 2 thumbs down to
Yeah.
talking
He's
guys.
getting my bad.
No.
Yeah,
game.
it was kind of cute at first, and then it was like, this is
Yeah.
why.
They're feeling for you.
No.
What you guys even talking about?
The conversation. This is how the conversation goes. Good morning. I'll be like, good morning. How's your day go?
Oh, Jesus.
It's going
I'm already
great.
bored.
That's it. Have a good day. Okay, you have a good day too.
He's just trying to stay relevant in your mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just wants you to
So
think about
I'm
him.
just
Yeah,
like,
but what's your feedback? Because like I kind of hate talking to women, and they're not giving you back like you being fun and stuff, and they want some. Oh, what's gonna come
no,
from
I
me?
give him feedback, but he doesn't follow the conversation.
Oh.
So he's
he's really goof troop.
yeah, he's will be all cool,
So he
good,
he's strictly
like
penis.
yeah,
His penis is just.
yeah.
God bless him. That's all. I had to sue him if he didn't have a good day.
Fridays, what he does Friday.
Butchie and shit. So it's gotta be all penis. Slings his beat. So that's what it's gotta be. Hey, listen. Everybody has a reason on earth. God gave everybody a reason. A good Christian man would know that. So, you know, God gave everybody.
You played yourself.
What? Okay, for real, man? Listen,
Thank you, Thematic.
don't be swayed by them. Like Christian knows me. You know, deal with the people in this room.
You played.
Exactly.
You played yourself.
Exactly.
Yeah, yeah. It's good that God gave him a bean to sling. If he didn't bean to sling, could you see what he'd go through? He'd have to find somebody super lame like him, and then they'd be in a super lame relationship.
Yeah,
See? But he gets to mess with spicy women like yourself because he can sling his bean.
yeah, but only like when I'm in the mood.
In the mood for it. I get you. I ain't mad at you.
So that's
Tell
why.
him, you're. There you go.
That's why he's still around.
Got no game.
Yeah.
No game whatsoever.
I mean,
Yeah, that sucks.
oh, somebody
Listen,
better come along.
your next guy, you know, maybe a good minority guy, you know, comes along, and it's gonna be a different vibe. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna be able to sling their bean and have fun with it. And good conversation in the morning.
Yeah, yeah. Like you
Shit.
need good for me.
Someone's gonna bag
Like
you soon from him because it's just a good conversation. If they can sling their bean a little bit, you're all
it
right.
has to be a conversation.
No, good conversation is quality.
Yes.
I like good conversation. Like good conversation to great sex.
Definitely.
Can lead to great sex. It can. People don't understand that. Before all that talking, you start to figure each other out.
Yes.
You know, and and if you can really get a woman good, she'll start to open up. Once she opens up,
It's over.
Sweet Jesus, baby little Jesus. These are songs from the Book of Tom.
Oh. I don't know.
You played yourself.
About the Queens Hip Hop Festival.
Yeah, website
Really
because you know
people,
my
yeah.
people.
Webseductions.com. Wendy Angulo Productions.
Much better when you say it.
That
Did y'all get that? Look. Conversation. Great food.
Wine, yeah, I'm a wine drinker.
She's telling you the keys to her heart, fellas. She's telling you Wendy is promoting the keys to her heart. And he's a chef.
Oh.
Oh yeah, don't get it
She's
burnt.
like, oh.
He is a chef. See?
Oh.
Yep, he's a chef. Don't play. He gets his cook all like big ass hotels, all that. That's the
How much does a personal chef cost for a day?
Chris, how much does a personal chef cost for a day? See, now she's thinking. She's trying to make her man happy.
No, I'm thinking for me.
Oh, I thought you was thinking about like Valentine's Day.
Yeah, no.
Chris will let us know. But Wendy, you winning out here. So your website, you gave us that. Did you put her website up on the thing?
Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah, I1 Productions is my Instagram, and the Hip Hop Festival will be September 28th to the 30th in Queens.
And they go to the website, right?
Yeah,
or no, the Instagram.
QueensHipHopFestival.com and at Queens Hip Hop Festival on the Instagram.
Yeah, to find like where
Yeah.
the audition and stuff.
Chris
like
said it all
Yes.
depends on what you're looking for about the chef for a day.
that. I don't know. Just somebody to make dinner, a good dinner. And what he looks like with his shirt off, maybe.
She wants one that cooks
Just
with
an
his shirt off.
apron.
Oh, the one that
Wait.
I just interviewed one.
Did you? What
Wow.
did he look like?
Can you get Women to do that?
Asian. He's actually really
Really?
sexy.
We're talking about females that do that. But every girl wants to cook for you with their clothes on. Like, oh no, I cook for you in lingerie. I'm like, all right.
Except when you're making bacon and then you're like, fuck.
Ah, my
Wasn't a
nipple.
good idea.
Very
That's a
sensitive
good point.
area.
Don't make, that is a damn good point.
Don't
make
fry
bacon.
food naked. Not a
Make
good
sure.
look.
This is full.
Oh, we got 30 more minutes.
Yeah.
Will you want to fire with any more topics?
It was this website I found. I
Is it
saw the
nasty?
article. No, it's called Bumble. Have you ever heard
Oh
of it?
yes. Oh, that's whack.
You didn't like it?
Yeah, I didn't like it.
What is it though?
It's
So
an
it's
app.
a-
It's a
it's a
dating app.
dating
Oh yeah,
website.
I had it and it was.
Well, women.
It was
Yeah, it's
boring.
whack,
Women.
right?
Yeah, it's like
It's
the
supposed to be
women.
like women initiate the conversation.
Yeah,
Like
but-
if I
Yeah.
like you, then I swipe.
So it's like dudes waiting to get hit
Yeah.
on.
Yeah,
Yes.
but women they say they supposed to start first, but half the
They
time they
don't?
just like it and keep going. Nobody talks to anybody.
Yeah.
I don't know. I saw it and I was like, oh, okay.
All
I
you
think
do
the
is swipe
concept is
left
okay.
and right.
Oh, it's one of them swipe apps.
Yeah.
I've never even been
I'm
on
just
one of those
dating-
websites.
I don't know. That's why when you told me, I was like, I don't know.
I've
It's
met
already
chicks
hard when it was Black
online.
Planet and Mahente and people weren't who they said they were. Like, I think you're gonna get catfished.
That
Catfish.
no, it's the truth.
met people
That's the
online.
problem.
They're
You
always,
can you
it's
you
always weird though.
true story. You know how many husbands or friends I found? They showed up in my
Friends of yours, husbands. on
Looking
the
for
apps.
looking
I
for
could believe
coochie.
that.
But we
I could
talked
believe
about that a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah, I could believe that.
Looking for
But you know,
coochie.
see, this is one thing with all this smartphone. This is another thing. I was saying the other day I was on the PATH train, right?
Okay.
I get on the PATH train. This woman gets on the PATH train. Cute looking woman. The guy gets up from me. She sits down next to me. Literally, she tells me I have this red scarf version of this. She tells me she likes the scarf. I'm like, thank you, but I got my headsets on. I go back to talk. She didn't say nothing else to me. We get to Harrison. She gets up, puts a folded paper right on my lap, jets out the train, turns around, the door closes, and she waves. And everybody in the car starts laughing. That saw it. They're like laughing, so I'm like,
Oh wow, that's
Okay.
cool.
so I open it, and it has her name, her number, her Instagram. And she was like, I think you're very cute.
What's her Instagram?
Like,
What's her
so
Instagram?
I get off the train, I'm on Instagram, and I'm like, and I'm on my
He's
Snap,
ignoring me.
and I'm like, yo, I feel like I'm in high school because I haven't seen it. But what I was thinking about, and I was talking to somebody about before, like all of this shit because people meet on these things has taken away. Just like we say, you don't remember any
Yes.
phone numbers.
The art
Like,
of conversation.
I
yeah.
like meeting people in the street.
Yeah.
I like being
Yeah.
nervous and like if I walk over there and say something right now, what's gonna happen? And when
But
I've
you
done
know
it,
what?
it's been very
It's
successful.
successful. You know what's crazy? I see
Because some people are
dudes.
so shocked. Women seem shocked when you say, your hair looks really nice. And, like,
Yeah,
and
it's
you
true.
smell really good. You walk by me and you fuck me up. I ain't even gonna lie. Excuse my language. And they're like, oh my God. And then you go and they're like, wait. That's it? You know what I'm saying? So it's like, that's fun.
I've seen so many dudes bag chicks on a train and not get turned down because it's like they'll be standing by the door looking. She'll be on her phone. She'll look up. She'll look
Oh
back
yeah,
down.
that
She'll
happened
look
to
up.
me.
She'll look back
3
down. He
weeks
goes
ago.
over there talking, and they always
Yes.
talking for like
Yeah.
5, 6, 7
Yep.
stops.
It's almost like people forget to do that.
Mhm.
Like, if
true.
you're not meeting on this shit and she's half naked or she was twerking or something,
You're
it's
not
like,
sending little eye emojis in her comments and shit.
on the train, they're frozen.
Well,
like,
it's
you
like
need to
even
have the-
amongst friends, people, you don't talk on the phone anymore. Everybody texts.
and that's another thing. People don't want to have conversation. Like, they literally want to text you. Like, what? You want to get off the phone and we just start texting? Why?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've always liked talking to women. Like, I don't understand. Like, and texting you right in the wrong. Everything can be taken wrong.
Everything always
you
gets
can,
taken wrong.
You can put something the wrong way, and she's like, "What?
7 out of 10
What the fuck?" And
arguments
you're like,
start
"What
over
the fuck?"
text.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
That's true.
when you're saying something, the way you say it, the tone.
Yeah.
They
There's no
understand.
tone.
There's no tone.
There's no tone.
It's just words, and you take it for
Yeah.
however
Yeah,
your mind
so
takes
I
it.
I think people really lost that art of communication. Like, it's dope. Even when she did that, it was funny to me.
We should do mixers,
Like
like a little
Yeah.
speed dating kind.
you know what I'm
That'd be
saying?
fun.
Like, you know, yeah, I did.
Yeah,
I used
that'd
to
be
do.
cool.
I used to do parties, and we used to do. It was called nut and bolts. Like, you come in, the girls would grab out the